How to reactivate your TikTok account. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, all you have to do is open TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you're inside this page, simply tap on login right over here. Then from here, choose use phone, email address or username. Just like so, if you have an account with your phone number, you want to go ahead and type in the phone number. But if you have created an account with your email address or username, you want to go ahead and simply type it in and then tap on continue. Just like so, in the next page, you'll be asked to enter the password of your account. Go ahead and enter the password, and into the next page, you'll then be able to find a page that says reactivate your TikTok account. And just like so, simply tap on reactivate, and just like that, you'll then be able to reactivate your TikTok account. Well, that's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.